Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into a crucial topic that has been sparking debate in the health and wellness community. So if you are considering or currently following a keto diet, you should stick around for this one, and you should be able to get to know about this. We are discussing how low carb and high fat diets might significantly boost your diabetes risk. So let's get into it. So what's the keto diet all about? The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a low carb, high fat eating plan designed to put your body into the state of ketosis. In ketosis, your body burns fat for fuels instead of carbs. Sounds like a dream for weight loss, right? But there is a crucial and critical side to this that you should able to know. What is the science behind diabetes risk for keto diet? So recent studies raise alarms about the potential risk of following a keto diet in long term. According to research, diet high in fats and low in carbs can negatively impact your insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, which are key to diabetes. One study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that individuals who are high on high fat diet and low carb diets had higher insulin fasting levels and poor glucose tolerance. This might suggest that you might be losing weight, but this could be increasing the risk of your type 2 diabetes. When you're consuming the keto diet, so what exactly is happening inside your body? So, let's break it down. When you drastically reduce the carbs, your body relies on fats for energy. However, a high fat intake, particularly from saturated fats, can lead to increase in inflammation and changes in the blood lipids levels. These factors can lead to insulin resistance, a very precursor to diabetes. How should we avoid these side effects of keto diet? We should balance your diet, and also, if you are concerned about this risk, so here are a few tips to help balance your diet. So, first of all, you should moderate the fat intake. You should opt for healthier fats like those from avocados, nuts, olive oil, rather than the saturated fats. Next is you should incorporate carbs wisely in your diet. Include low carbs, high fiber vegetables to support gut health, and also it manages blood sugar levels in your body. And the last is you should keep regular monitoring, like you should keep a track of blood sugar levels, and you should consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic dietary changes. So I know the keto diet can be very tempting with its promise of quick results, but it's crucial to weigh down the risk as well. Have you tried or are you considering keto diet in your daily diet? How do you feel about this new information? Share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Also, if you find this video eye-opening, give it a thumbs up. And for more content on health tips, diet advice, and the latest in wellness research, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until then, stay wise, stay informed, and I will see you in next video. Thank you.